Okay, so summertime is approaching, so anyone that lives in the Rust Belt or out west knows what that means. It means time to fire up the AC. Well, before you fire up any AC, you always want to make sure that it's well cleaned. And to do that, you just take a regular garden hose, like I got here, just hose her down, or pressure washer if you got one. But one like this, the old-fashioned types, it doesn't seem to put out as much pressure as the modern ones do. So I was at Harbor Freight and I found this on sale. So let's try her out. Normal garden hose, female end. You ain't gonna get no special adapter, nothing like that. Make sure it's good and tight. And as you see there, that's all the modes it's got. And it's got that nice click, so you know that it's in the setting that you want it to be. But nice color too, by the way. Nice finish on it. Candy apple red. I only saw this color, by the way, when I was at Harbor Freight. Your Harbor Freight might have different colors. Let's try this out. Oh, I already see a leak, so I'll tighten that up some more. Probably need some Teflon tape on it. Oh, look at that. Angle, jet, shower, mist, flat, soak. We're going on angle. Take all the leaves out here. Alright, I would say that is a success. That's all I have for now. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Hit that bell notification. Later.